So today is July 1. It's already 7:43 p.m. Start taking pictures to start my business, which is the Pasabay from Dubai to PH. So naisip ko pa lang, hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-start. But yeah, I will start to take pictures of some things in saan ba? Sa wait, Ajman City Center. So mag-check tayo kung may mga sales sila doon na pwede natin picturean, tapos mag-start lang mag-post. Basta, see you. Thank you. Hi, so I decided to order first kasi wala pa akong dinner. Dinner and lunch na to. Wait lang. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ba ako. Kasi wala pa akong plan kung mag-buy ng mic. Para mas marinig ako sa video. Feeling famous with the mic. By the way, I ordered one-piece chicken, and alam niyo ba, may pistachio ko na pa-sundae na dito. Later I will show you. Total of 36. So guys, ito na yung food ko. Not bad. For only 9 dirham. Tapos ito yung with ko na pa-pistachio na sundae. So that's it. Guys, this is the last time that I will wear casual. Kasi start from tomorrow, meron na kaming uniform. So, freestyle under the uniform na lang. Hindi na makapag ang babae. So, hindi na makapag freestyle. Ngayon na lang. Fillers. Hi! Difference ng package shake? Yung mga food. At saka wait. Wait lang.
May file ka nun?
Meron yung nasa hospitality file for hospital. VIP kasi marami siyang choices.
Bagala!
Guys, uwian na. So, it's currently 8:40. Dan lang ako sa salon for eyebrow trading. Kasi ang pangit na ng kilay ko, girl. Yan lang yung salon. Parang 5 minutes walk. 3 minutes walk from my work. 3 minutes walk from my workplace. Yan na, guys. Infinity. Hi. Eyebrow trading system. Where did you get the 1 dirham? I thought you don't have money. Yes,
Oh.
1 dirham.
Okay,
Okay, what is the 300 for the company? It's talking to what's her name? Hey, he's telling you it's for us
This
and
for
this
us.
for the guys. Yeah. Thank you.
Something happened, but a big problem, but it's solved. and they were showing this to me. She told her, Madam,
It's currently 9:05. Going home. Hindi pala. Didiretso ako sa bahay ng friend ko kasi nagluto siya. So, doon na ako magdi-dinner. Ang naka-uniform pa. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo pa ako, pero malayo-layo na naman yung lalakarin. Luto by Maylene.
Yan, camera.
Yan, may pa-KFC.
Ubusin mo kasi para mag-try ka.
Beba, cute. Go, AA.
Ayun yung ano, instant. Kasi, tingnan mo.
Wait.
Ang tagal.
AA. Sama ko sa friend ko. Tapos magpipicture na rin ng mga pang-posting for pasabay. Kaya let's go. Abaya ko. Paborito ko kasi to guys kasi sobrang comfy. Job ako later. Don't judge me. Diba? Parang comfy lang. Tignan nyo naman gano'ng kainit dito sa UAE. Ano pa lang, alas 2. Pero sobrang init. Super. Antay lang tayo ng taxi.